4 years ago I posted a video where I showed that I added an LED strip to my LED board that was programmable and that I could measure the speed of my longboard such that the effect that I made with the LEDs could move backwards with the same speed that I was moving forward. Now 4 years later I wanted to revisit that project because there were 3 areas where I think I could improve upon it. First of all, the overall engineering I think was sloppy in hindsight. The LED strips were attached to the board with hot glue and a bit of duct tape. The electronics were in a chunky box. Second of all, I made a choice to use 2 Arduinos that communicated with each other because otherwise I couldn't get it to work. I've learned in the last 4 years and I decided that I could do it with a very small CPU, the Trinket by Adafruit, to get all this working. And finally I wanted to have some headlights on this thing, not only LED strips on the side. So that's what I've been building. It's entirely based on the LED strip guide for longboards by Adafruit. Go look that up online if you want to. And what I add to it is that I have a sensor here with a bunch of magnets in my wheel, such that the effect that I have on my board is dependent on the speed of the board. So only when the wheel turns do you see it. The front light as well interacts in the same way. And when you go out on the street, it looks something like this.
Oh wow.